What if I told you the next snack you eat could either feed disease or help your body fight it? That sounds impossible. But science tells us something very different. Every single day, billions of cells inside your body are making life or death decisions. Some cells are healthy, some are damaged, and a few may even have the potential to become cancer. The question is, which cells are you feeding? Most people never think about this. They worry about lunch, they worry about dinner. But what about the moments in between? Those small snacks, those handfuls of food, those quick bites, they may seem harmless, but they can dramatically affect your heart, your blood, your arteries, your brain, your immune system, your inflammation, and even your body's ability to stop abnormal cells before they become dangerous. Here's the warning. Many popular snacks are packed with sugar, refined carbohydrates, artificial ingredients, unhealthy fats. These foods create insulin spikes. They increase chronic inflammation. They damage blood vessels. They reduce healthy circulation. They stress your cells. And over time, they may create the perfect environment for disease. But here's the good news. Nature has already created powerful snacks, foods filled with protective compounds, foods that help activate your body's own defense systems, foods that help your cells repair themselves, foods that help reduce inflammation, foods that support healthier blood flow, foods that help your immune system recognize danger. This isn't about a miracle cure, it's about giving your body the tools it already knows how to use. As a doctor, I always tell my patients, the goal isn't just treating disease, the goal is helping your body prevent disease. Today, I'm sharing 5 incredible snacks backed by science. Simple, affordable, delicious, and incredibly powerful. Let's begin. Snack first, walnuts. Let's start with one of my favorites, walnuts. Small, crunchy, but incredibly powerful. Inside every walnut are healthy omega-3 fats, polyphenols, fiber, minerals. Together, these nutrients help lower inflammation, improve blood vessel function, support healthier circulation, protect your heart, and nourish your brain. Research suggests walnuts may also support a healthier gut microbiome. Why does that matter? Because your gut bacteria help control your immune system. They influence inflammation. They even affect how your body responds to abnormal cells. A simple handful every day may help support your body's natural defenses. But remember, a handful, not an entire bag. Even healthy foods require balance. Snack second, berries. Next, berries. Blueberries, blackberries, strawberries, raspberries. These colorful fruits are packed with antioxidants. Think of antioxidants as tiny bodyguards. They help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals can damage DNA. When DNA becomes damaged, the risk of abnormal cell growth may increase. Berries contain powerful natural compounds called anthocyanins. These give berries their beautiful colors, but they also help reduce inflammation, support healthier blood vessels, improve brain function, and help protect healthy cells. Here's another secret. Berries have plenty of fiber. That means slower sugar absorption, lower insulin spikes, more stable energy. Your body loves stability. Disease loves chaos. Choose wisely. Snack third, pistachios. Now let's talk about pistachios. Many people avoid nuts because they're afraid of fat. That's a mistake. Healthy fats are not the enemy. Your body needs them. Pistachios provide healthy fats, plant protein, fiber, potassium, vitamin B6, and antioxidants. This combination supports healthier heart function, better blood flow, improved artery health, and balanced blood sugar. Healthy snacks help keep insulin under control, and controlling insulin means reducing one of the drivers of chronic inflammation. The result? Better energy. Healthier cells, stronger defenses. Choose unsalted pistachios whenever possible. Snack fourth, dark chocolate. Yes, chocolate, but not just any chocolate. I'm talking about dark chocolate, at least 70% cocoa. Dark chocolate contains flavonols. These natural compounds improve blood vessel function, increase nitric oxide production, support healthy circulation, and help your arteries relax. When your blood flows efficiently, your cells receive more oxygen, more nutrients, more energy, better repair. Dark chocolate also provides antioxidants that help reduce oxidative stress. But here's the warning: portion matters. A small square, not an entire candy bar. Read the label carefully. Avoid products loaded with added sugar. Snack fifth, edamame. Finally, edamame, young soybeans, one of nature's most complete plant snacks, rich in protein, fiber, healthy minerals, and plant compounds called isoflavones. These nutrients support heart health, healthy blood vessels, stable blood sugar, and lower inflammation. Protein also helps keep you full longer. That means fewer unhealthy cravings, less junk food, more control over your everyday habits. And remember, good health isn't built by one meal. It's built by thousands of small decisions, one snack at a time. Simple daily tips. Now let me give you 5 easy habits you can start today. First, replace one processed snack every day. Swap chips for walnuts. Swap candy for berries. Small changes create big results. Second, pair protein with fiber. This keeps sugar and insulin stable. Your energy stays higher. Your body stays balanced. Third, stay hydrated. Healthy blood depends on water. Good circulation begins with proper hydration. Fourth, move after eating. Even a 10-minute walk improves blood flow, supports your muscles, activates your metabolism, and helps regulate blood sugar. Finally, be consistent. Don't chase miracle diets. Build miracle habits. That's where real health begins. Call to action. Your body is fighting for you every second. Your cells never stop working. Your heart never takes a vacation. Your blood keeps flowing. Your immune system keeps protecting. The question is, will you help your body or work against it? Remember, every snack is a choice. Every bite sends a message. You can choose foods that fuel inflammation or foods that support repair. You can feed disease or nourish health. The power is already in your hands. If you found this video helpful, make one healthy snack swap today. Share this video with someone you care about, because one simple habit could inspire a healthier life. Thank you for watching. Stay healthy, stay curious, and remember, the food you choose every day has the power to protect your future.